Hi guys, welcome to Simulator. I hereby presenting you fundamental of basic CFD. CFD, Computational Fluid Dynamics. What is CFD? CFD is the science of predicting fluid flow, heat transfer, mass transfer, chemical reaction and related phenomena by solving mathematical equations. This equation may be equation of mass, equation of momentum, energy, chemical reaction, any other body forces. There are many other reasons like study of new design, detailed product development, troubleshooting, redesigning and optimizations. So for these reasons we use CFD. How does the CFD work? First of all, we discretize the domain in finite set of control volume and all governing equations like mass, momentum, energy, species and so on are solved on this set of control volume. The generalized way of governing equation is shown here. To create a CFD model, there are basically 8 steps and divided into 4 major parts. First one is problem identification, second one is pre-processing, third one is solving, fourth one is post-processing. Problem identification. So in this part we have to check what we need as our result, whether we need pressure drop, mass flow rate, heat transfer, temperature profile and what assumption we can make, whether our problem is symmetry, identical and periodic. In a second step, identification of domain. In a process industry there are multiple equipments connected to each other, so we have to identify our domain, we have to isolate our domain of interest and simulate. We have to check boundary conditions, we have to gather information about what boundary condition need. In third step, we need a geometry to create a CFD model or simulate it. Here we are trying to simulate fluid flow in a T-junction. So only we need a domain where fluid flows. So we have to remove all the plates, bolts and joints. So our geometry will be like this. This is our now geometry on which we have to perform simulation. As I told, we have to discretize the domain in finite set of control volume. There are many ways to discretize the domain. Here some of meshing type, some of discretization patterns are shown here. Triangular and quadrilateral, these are used for 2D geometry. However, tetrahedral, hexahedral, pyramid, prism, base, these meshing types are used for 3D geometries. Chord and hexa meshes are preferable over triane and tetrahedral because this provides higher quality solution and reduce the numerical diffusion. It is impractical to generate a structure mesh using hexahedral or quadrilateral mesh, so we have to use more than one mesh type. Here in the figure we are using wedge meshes at the edge of the geometry and tetrahedral meshes for remaining geometry. The conformal meshes are those meshes which are exactly matched when two volume meets. In the case of pump, rotor, mixture, We use non-conformal meshes where the one part is rotating and second one is stationary. The meshes of at the joint junction does not match exactly. In the fifth and sixth step, the physics and solver setting, in which we have to define the fluid domain, solid domain, whether it is mixture, which physical model we are going to use, laminar, turbulence, combustion, multiphase, chemical reactions, and what are the operating condition, what are the boundary condition, and what will be the convergence criteria. In this step, all the governing equations are solved in iterative method and reach our desired convergence. In this step, we examine our result by using visualization tool and numerical reporting tool. In visualization tool, we can use streamline, contour plots, vector, flow separation, shock, shear stress, eddy formation, and numerical reporting tools. We can report momentum forces, average heat transfer coefficient, surface Nusselt number, standard number, flux balance, average temperature, and so on. Don't rely on first modeling. Always reconsider your model. Always check whether your physical model are appropriate, all the physics you incorporate are right, all the boundary conditions are correct or not. Mesh is fine enough, or can the mesh is to be refined to improve the results. Thank you for watching.